In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll down. So click right away. Then choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Over here, click on Theme and scroll down. Now you can choose Show More and see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can go into the same settings, swipe up, and this time tap on this plus icon under my themes instead. Then select photo that you wish to apply as a keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, manage keyboarders and save your keyboard by tapping on Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!